It's got the new truck, new trailer, and just pulled up from the shop. And the boss man told me stop at TNT Parts over here. Get one of these springs for the back of the truck. He said he didn't like the way that one looked, so he got an extra one just in case anything happens. And we're going to get a load. I got dispatched on a load, picking up in Jefferson, Georgia. Basically, it's Kubota tractors, so it's like I never left. So they gave me a tractor load. That's cool. I'm cool with that. So this is trailer. So like a newer trailer, what they gave me. And this is the thing I was talking about right here. Truck 776. So I got Bobo. Everything he got is 2022 or 2020. And we also got to stop and get it washed, he said. He always likes to wash them every 3 weeks. And when we get to where we're going, then I'll show y'all the setup of the truck, what it looks like. Seems to drive good. So far, I think I like it better than Kenworth. Need to stop at a Love so I can return the GPS I got because it's too small. Here at the Kubota, gotta check in. Packed today. There's a lot of people. Let's go ahead and check in. Get my pickup number and get a door. They got a line, so gotta wait in line to check in.
No.
Checking in.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
In or out? These guys are in. Door number 50, 4 straps, so let's go get in door number 50. Well, we're just checked out, loaded up, got 3 stops. Got 3 stops, so I guess just each place is only getting one thing. Been going 1 mile per hour. We have a truck on a fire on the interstate. I'm right here at the Ashford Dundee Road, Chumbley Dunwoody Road, Georgia. Mile marker 29, 285 West, and Georgia 407 West. So I looked it up on the news, and apparently some truck crashed or just stopped under a bridge somewhere and caught on fire, so they were putting out the fire. So I've been sitting here for 1 hour, 57 minutes, and 51 seconds. We stopped at Buc-ee's. Over here on the side of the road. This is the back of Buc-ee's. About to eat real quick and keep on driving. Good morning. We parked over here on the side of the road. We're about to go right here. Cracker Barrel, get some breakfast. 5-6 hours till we get to our destination. So Let's go. The first place I went to wasn't the right place, so I had to come across the highway, but I slid the creek all the way back here to the middle so I don't have to back into the dock. Well, we got our Subway sandwich from Love's. We use our Love points. Switched out our navigation. We got the bigger one now instead of the smaller one. And got a couple hours. And we'll be there at the destination. We're going to sleep there, waiting for them to open up. So probably try to find a Walmart on the way there. We made it here to Walmart. Let's see. We parked over here. Parked all the way up to the back. Not the back, but the back short there. Nobody can drive out any tractors. Made it here. It was only a couple of minutes away from Walmart, so the gate's closed, but they have parking here. This is where we came in at. And I'm just kind of sitting in a dead end zone. I'm backed up here, waiting for them to open the gate. So we'll be up and ready to go about 7 o'clock, and we'll check it out and see how it goes. Backed up to the plate, and you gotta hammer these braces off, take off this strap, and that's it. I like this Kubota though. It's like blacked out, black wheels, looks nice. He said, man, thank you, drivers don't do that. Here at the last delivery. Let's back up to that dock right there next to the trailer. Give our paperwork to the people and go ahead and get this unloaded. Check with the dispatcher if that's another load or not. So that's all for this load. First load is a company driver. A lot of traffic, big fire, but steady moving and steady work. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. These is just hooks in there. Top in first. And locks in. We got that one delivered. And I just got off the phone with dispatcher. He already sent me another load. It's an hour away. So I have to go pick up that load, and that delivers to North Carolina. So from Missouri to North Carolina.